The T360 Forestry mulcher represents a robust, high-performance solution for professional land clearing and vegetation management. Powered by a Cat C9 Tier 4 final diesel engine delivering 360 horsepower, it provides exceptional torque and hydraulic efficiency for continuous, heavy-duty operation in forestry environments. Equipped with a 2.44-meter cutting deck, the T360 features a high-speed rotor fitted with replaceable carbide or knife-style teeth, capable of processing trees up to 10 inches in diameter. Its advanced closed-loop hydraulic system with a flow rate of 568 liters per minute at 5,000 psi ensures stable, high-output performance across varying workloads. The machine integrates automatic power management to optimize engine load and maintain consistent rotor speed. A reinforced steel track undercarriage with 26-inch pads delivers exceptional traction and balance on slopes or rugged terrain. Operator protection and efficiency are enhanced by our ROPS/FOPS- certified cab, equipped with climate control, ergonomic joystick controls, and a touchscreen interface for monitoring all key systems, including engine temperature, hydraulic pressure, and cooling performance. With an operating weight of approximately 16,300 kilograms, the T360 is designed for endurance and ease of maintenance, featuring side-mounted service panels, centralized lubrication points, and automatic reversing fans to maintain cooling efficiency in dusty environments. Engineered for forestry, utility right-of-way clearing, fire break construction, and large-scale site preparation, the T360 Forestry mulcher delivers precision, power, and reliability, setting a benchmark in modern land management technology. In the world of professional forestry, speed, precision, and control are crucial, and the dangerous fastest chainsaw cutting tree machines lineup demonstrates how advanced engineering redefines modern tree felling operations. At the forefront stands the TigerCat 724D Feller Buncher, a purpose-built machine designed for high production harvesting. Equipped with a Tier 3,200 horsepower engine, the 724D combines high hydraulic flow with responsive controls for rapid tree cutting and bunching. Its heavy-duty felling head can grip, cut, and stack multiple trees in seconds, while the robust bogie axles and balanced weight distribution ensure outstanding stability on steep or uneven terrain. The operator's cab features full visibility glazing, an ergonomic control layout, and reinforced guarding for maximum protection and efficiency in demanding conditions. Complementing the 724D's raw power, the Wacker-Neuson EW65P Pro XL excels in precision trimming and site preparation. This 74.9 horsepower wheel excavator offers all-wheel steering, a compact swing radius, and hydraulic adaptability for attachments such as cutters or shears. It is ideal for roadside maintenance, hedge trimming, and tree sectioning, delivering smooth power transfer and operational stability across varied terrain. Further into the lineup, the PONSSE Scorpion Harvester represents automation at its finest. Its active leveling system, rotating panoramic cab, and PONSSEH7 harvester head ensure continuous felling, delimbing, and log measurement with pinpoint accuracy. The machine's 8-wheel configuration provides superior traction, even in muddy or sloped environments, maintaining constant productivity during long shifts. The Merlot Roto Telehandler, with its 25-meter telescopic boom and 360-degree rotating superstructure, supports the lifting and transport phase. It handles heavy logs and accessories safely using advanced electronic stability control, making it essential for loading and stacking tasks around active forestry sites. Finally, the operation is completed by a hydraulic excavator fitted with a stump pulling attachment, designed to uproot tree bases efficiently with minimal soil disturbance. Together, these machines form an integrated system of cutting, clearing, and processing, showcasing the highest standards of forestry engineering, where power meets precision to transform rugged woodland into clean, manageable landscapes with speed and safety. The Morbark HT1684 Predator is engineered for heavy-duty stump and woody debris processing, designed to handle both wood and metal contamination with extreme reliability, and powered by a high-torque drivetrain and slow-speed hammer mill. The HT1684 operates at approximately 25 revolutions per minute, minimizing risk of ejected material while enabling safe processing of contaminated loads. N. Its tracked undercarriage provides mobility over rugged terrain, while the replaceable teeth and wear-resistant components inside the rotor allow continuous uptime, even when encountering embedded metal. Material enters via dual infeed rollers that grip stumps or large pieces of rootstock and feed them into the rotor chamber. The hydraulic feed control system regulates throughput, ensuring the mill is not overloaded and optimal reduction occurs. The large hammer mill pulverizes wood and separates out metal fragments, allowing the machine to produce clean mulch or chips suitable for biomass, land reclamation, or site prep use. Material enters via dual infeed rollers that grip stumps or large pieces of rootstock and feed them into the rotor chamber. The hydraulic feed control system regulates throughput, ensuring the mill is not overloaded and optimal reduction occurs. The large hammer mill pulverizes wood and separates out metal fragments, allowing the machine to produce clean mulch or chips suitable for biomass, land reclamation, or site prep use. A mobile wood chipper is an industrial machine designed to shred logs, branches, and other wood waste into uniform wood chips. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic loading crane that feeds material into the infeed hopper. Inside, a powerful chipping drum or disc cuts the wood into small, consistent pieces. These chips are then expelled through a discharge chute and collected in a trailer or truck for transport. Efficient and robust, the wood chipper plays a vital role in forestry, timber production, and landscape management, ensuring effective recycling of wooden residues into usable biomass. The Timber Pro TF840 skidder is a powerful, purpose-built forestry machine engineered for high-performance timber extraction in demanding conditions. With an operating weight around 27, 260 kilograms, and a net horsepower rating of 338 horsepower on the TF840D configuration, it delivers the scale and power required for heavy towing and yarding tasks. Its hydrostatic drive system ensures smooth, continuous power delivery, allowing the operator to maintain precise control over traction and speed, even on steep or muddy terrain. The TF840 features a durable 6-wheel chassis with heavy-duty axles and high ground clearance, offering superior stability and flotation in soft forest soils. Its advanced bogie axle configuration distributes weight evenly, minimizing ground disturbance while maximizing traction. The grapple system, mounted on a hydraulic boom, is capable of securely gripping large bundles of logs, while the high-torque winch allows efficient skidding in dense or uneven environments. The operator's cab is designed for comfort and productivity, featuring 360-degree visibility, ergonomic controls, climate control, and a fully adjustable air suspension seat. Advanced onboard diagnostics and an electronic control interface provide real-time monitoring of hydraulic pressures, engine performance, and machine load, optimizing uptime and operational efficiency. Built for endurance, the Timber Pro TF840 uses reinforced steel structures, centralized lubrication systems, and easy-access maintenance points. It is highly valued in professional forestry operations for its combination of strength, precision, and operator safety, making it ideal for large-scale timber harvesting, selective logging, and site clearing. The John Deere 3554 shovel logger is a powerful and purpose-built forestry machine designed for efficient log loading operations in rugged timber environments. In this application, the 3554 is seen handling large redwood logs, massive, dense timber that demands exceptional lifting power, hydraulic control, and operator visibility. The machine is powered by a John Deere 6081H 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, producing approximately 246 horsepower and up to 275 Newton-meters of torque, allowing it to lift and position full-length redwood stems with precision. Its hydraulic log grapple provides a secure grip for both single log handling and bundled stick loading, minimizing downtime and material loss. Built on a durable tracked undercarriage, the 3554 delivers excellent stability and traction across uneven or muddy logging sites. The boom reach extends up to 13 meters, giving the operator ample range to load log trucks, pile decks, or clear felling areas efficiently. Advanced hydraulic systems with variable displacement pumps ensure smooth, responsive control for swing, boom, and grapple movements, essential for precision placement of heavy timber. The elevated cab provides wide visibility of the loading zone and features joystick controls, heavy guarding, and ergonomic seating for all-day operation. With reinforced steel construction, a counterbalance frame, and high ground clearance, the 3554 is engineered to withstand the intense cycles of forestry work. Whether working in log yards or deep in the forest, the John Deere 3554 demonstrates unmatched reliability, power, and balance, making it a preferred choice for professional crews handling redwood and other heavy hardwood species. At the port of Tauranga in New Zealand, a major operation is underway as the bulk carrier Loch Shuna is loaded with freshly harvested pine logs bound for export markets. The port, known as the country's largest and busiest export gateway, handles millions of cubic meters of timber each year, making it a key hub for New Zealand's forestry industry. The Loch Shuna, a handy-sized bulk carrier equipped with multiple cargo holds and deck cranes, is ideally suited for log export operations. Each hold is carefully filled with logs of various lengths and diameters, sourced from sustainably managed forests across the Bay of Plenty region. The vessel's onboard cranes, combined with heavy portside machinery, streamline the loading process to ensure maximum efficiency and optimal weight distribution. Onshore, wheel loaders and log forklifts arrange and stage the timber, while log loaders equipped with hydraulic grapples, such as the Caterpillar 568 and Liebherr LH50, transfer logs onto the ship's decks and into the cargo holds. Each grapple load is positioned under the guidance of deck crew to maintain balance and stability during sea transport. The operation continues in coordinated shifts to minimize port time and ensure consistent throughput. Every log is measured, graded, and recorded before loading to meet international export requirements. The port's advanced log tracking and moisture monitoring systems help verify quality and traceability. Safety measures, including secured stacking, wire lashings, and anti-roll bracing, are implemented to prevent movement during transit. Once fully loaded, the Lakshuna will depart Tauranga, navigating the Tasman Sea toward major timber markets in Asia. This process exemplifies New Zealand's advanced forestry logistics network, integrating sustainable harvesting, precision handling, and efficient maritime transport to deliver one of the nation's most valuable renewable exports to the global market. In the reconstruction of the Hermione, one of the most intricate and symbolic elements is the fabrication and installation of the Herpes, the curved wooden components that form part of the ship's upperworks. These structural pieces link the beakhead to the hull, providing both mechanical strength and aesthetic continuity at the bow of the vessel. The fabrication process begins with the selection of high-quality timber, chosen for its grain orientation and resistance to torsion. Each Herpes is steam-bent and hand-shaped to achieve the precise curvature required. Master shipwrights then perform meticulous fitting operations, aligning the joints and securing them using traditional wooden dowels and iron fastenings. Once in place, the Herpes not only provide structural reinforcement, but also define the graceful silhouette of the ship's bow. Their positioning ensures that stresses from the bowsprit and rigging are evenly distributed into the hull structure. The careful blending of engineering precision and traditional craftsmanship reflects the authenticity of 18th century naval construction techniques. This painstaking assembly embodies the spirit of maritime heritage, a tribute to the artisans whose skill and patience bring the Hermione's majestic form back to life, just as it sailed centuries ago across the Atlantic under the command of Lafayette. In the hands of a skilled craftsman, even the simplest block of wood becomes something extraordinary. Here, a table leg takes shape, not just any leg, but one defined by elegant, double-curved lines that flow seamlessly in two directions. Each curve tells a story of balance between strength and beauty, form and function. The design bends gracefully, catching light and shadow in a rhythm that feels almost alive. What begins as solid timber transforms into sculpture, where precision meets imagination. Every movement the craftsman makes is deliberate. Every cut is guided by experience and intuition, the quiet language of someone who knows how far the wood can go before it yields. What might look effortless is, in truth, the result of deep understanding of grain, texture, and proportion. The final form is more than structural support. It's the foundation of the table's identity. The curves bring a sense of motion, as if the piece were breathing, rising, and flowing within the space it occupies. There's a rare beauty in this kind of work, where the mechanical precision of cutting and shaping meets the soulful intent of the maker. It's a reminder that craftsmanship isn't just about building things. It's about revealing what's hidden within them. In the end, what remains isn't just a table leg, it's a harmony of art and engineering, a quiet celebration of human skill and the timeless elegance of wood. The cutting of a double-curved table leg represents one of the most delicate and visually striking steps in fine woodworking. Using a bandsaw, the craftsman carefully shapes a solid wood block into a leg with two intersecting curves, one along its vertical axis and another along the horizontal plane. This dual curvature gives the piece both strength and elegance, enhancing the balance and fluidity of the table's overall design. The process begins with precise marking of the cutting lines, ensuring perfect symmetry on both sides. The bandsaw's narrow blade allows for accurate maneuvering through complex contours, while maintaining a smooth finish that minimizes material loss. Throughout the operation, attention to grain direction and stability is essential to prevent warping or tearing. This refined cutting technique, combining precision and artistry, showcases the harmony between engineering precision and traditional craftsmanship in contemporary furniture making. The Holtz, her ProMaster 7125, represents one of the most advanced 5-axis CNC machining centers in modern woodworking. Built for industrial precision, it combines strength, speed, and versatility in a single system. The machine offers impressive working lengths of 3, 620, 4, 520, or 5, 420 millimeters, with a maximum machining depth of 1, 350 millimeters, and a processing height of 210 millimeters above the vacuum pods. N. Its robust, finite element optimized gantry design ensures outstanding rigidity and vibration control, allowing precise cutting even under heavy load. Powered by a 12 kilowatt liquid-cooled spindle, the ProMaster 7125 delivers smooth, high-speed milling performance. The machine's direct drive servo motors, maintenance-free couplings, and protected linear guides provide long-term accuracy and reliability. N. An 18-position tool changer moves with the gantry, enabling rapid tool exchange and continuous production. Integrated drilling, sawing, and pressure modules further enhance its capability in furniture, joinery, and construction applications. And at the core of its operation lies the Campus NC Hops software, offering intuitive programming, parametric 3D modeling, and real-time simulation. Engineered for precision, flexibility, and energy efficiency, the Holster ProMaster 7125 sets a benchmark in automated woodworking, where each movement reflects the synergy between advanced technology and flawless craftsmanship. The gantry moving column double swing head 5-axis machining center is a multifunctional plywood processing machine designed to perform sawing, grinding, turning, sanding, and drilling operations with high precision and efficiency. Its rigid gantry frame and moving column construction ensure stable performance, allowing for smooth and accurate machining of large or complex wooden components. In the sawing function, the machine uses a high-speed circular blade controlled by the 5-axis system to cut plywood panels with exceptional accuracy and clean edges. The adjustable swing head enables angled and curved cuts, ideal for furniture components or 3D wood structures. During turning operations, the machine's rotating axis works like a CNC lathe, shaping cylindrical or curved wooden pieces. High spindle torque ensures smooth performance and dimensional consistency. The drilling system operates through precision-controlled feed rates, allowing accurate hole placement for dowels, fasteners, and assembly joints. Combined with automated tool changing, it supports both deep and shallow drilling tasks. All functions are controlled by advanced CNC software that optimizes tool paths, coordinates movements, and maintains machining accuracy across all 5 axes. With automatic dust extraction, real-time monitoring, and intelligent servo control, this machine integrates multiple woodworking functions into one powerful system, delivering speed, versatility, and superior finish quality for plywood and composite manufacturing.